So I'm guessing within the last video, if you've seen it, some of you might be wondering how I was able to fold up my reflectors so fast. And you're probably wondering the technique because you've struggled with folding reflectors and you don't know quite how it's done, but it's really quite simple once you know the trick. So I'll slow it down for you. Here it is. So once your reflector is open, and this works just the same for a round reflector as it would for a square one. I'll call this a rounded square. And you're going to find the point, and it's really easy to demonstrate on a square, 180 degrees opposite each other. So if this was round, you would just go diagonally across. You want to bring them together and hold it with one hand. In doing so, you will notice that this became very loose and floppy, and this did as well. Sort of like a taco shell is kind of how you might envision it. Once you've done this, what you're going to want to do is to get this loop and that loop to lay on top of each other. Now I'm going to use my leg to guide this loop, and I'm going to use my hand to guide this loop, but I'm going to bring them in so that they will lay on each other, simultaneously loosening this group so that this loop and this loop will lay onto each other. Let me go very slowly. As I'm bringing them together, I'm going to bring this one into and start to tuck it up and bring it up in this direction. So kind of scooping it up like this. At the same time, I'm going to let the same kind of scooping action, let's see if I can just demonstrate it over here, same kind of scooping action happen this way at the same time, so that it lays flat. Now, it's okay if you have this unevenness, just bouncing it a few times will make it perfect, and then you can put it away in your zipper bag very easily. But let me show it to you one more time. I'll go a little bit faster. Leg to balance, bring it forward, scoop at the bottom, letting this one slip. You're welcome.